In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a multi-day event in Outlook. Using this simple yet effective method, you can manage your schedule more efficiently, especially if you're planning something that spans several days like a workshop or a vacation. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to Microsoft Outlook. Simply open your preferred web browser and head to the Outlook website. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see the sign in button. A quick click there will bring up the sign in page. Now go ahead and enter your email and password. This will get you into your Outlook account where we can start setting up our event. Next, once you're signed into Outlook, take a look at the left side of your screen. You should spot the calendar tab right there. Clicking on that will direct you to the calendar view, which is where all the action happens. Once you're in your calendar, find the new event button. This is usually located at the top left of your screen. Clicking it will open a form for you to start filling out the details of your event. First things first, you'll need to add a title for your event. Make it something descriptive so that it's immediately clear what the event is about when you glance at your calendar later. Now, to set this event as a multi-day event, you'll need to make it recurring. Look for the Make Recurring option. A click here will allow you to set your event to span across multiple days. You can customize this to fit the exact duration you need. Once you've set it to recurring, you'll need to select all the days that are within the time frame of your event. This ensures that every single day is accounted for, which is crucial for maintaining an accurate schedule. Now, once you've chosen all the necessary days, you'll notice the Save button. Click this to confirm your selection, but remember you're not quite done yet. There may be another save button you need to click to finalize everything. This is typically located somewhere in the event creation form or toolbar, so keep an eye out for it. Give it one last click and voila, your multi-day event is now set up in your Outlook calendar. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to organize multi-day events in Outlook. Make sure you double check everything is saved correctly to avoid any scheduling mishaps. This process can streamline your planning and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your time more effectively.